Tropical storm Bert. Bert is forecasted to intensely strengthen and move across Lester until he's near hurricane intensity on Thursday and Friday, bringing all risk of flooding from heavy rainfall, strong winds, and dangerous storm surge. Waves. 2. Given the longer than usual uncertainty in the track forecast, it is too early to specify the location and magnitude of where this hazardous could occur. However, everyone in Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands should closely monitor updates to the forecast for Bert and have their hurricane plans in place. Bert is supposed to become a hurricane on Thursday, and weaken to tropical storm on Friday morning. Wind speeds getting a little bit higher there. Winds there. Wind history, tropical storm winds. And no warnings for this system yet.